Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we have studied about 2D dimensional shapes. Now today we are going to study about three dimensional shapes. So the three dimensional shapes are 3D shapes are examples of 3D shapes. First, cuboid. Second, cube. Third, sphere. Fourth, hemisphere. And the fifth is cylinder. These are the three-dimensional shapes which have length, breadth and height, means thickness. Yesterday we studied about the two dimension. Those shapes, the two dimensional shapes don't have thickness, but the 3D shapes have thickness. Just like first we come to the cuboid. Take an example. This is your class. This class is also in cuboidal shape. Okay. Cuboid, the three-dimensional shape whose have 6 faces are called cuboid, and all faces are different. Okay, this is L, means length. This is H, and this is thickness or breadth, denoted by B. So the curved surface area of cuboid is equals to 2h bracket L plus B. Okay, 2h bracket L plus B. Firstly, we have what is the curve? What is the meaning of curve? Curve means the circular region of the shape. Okay, so the circular region of that shape is this. Means this side. Just take an example of your class. Your class have total 6 faces, but in curved surface area we take only four regions. This side, this side, this side, and this side. So it's total 4 sides. Means 2HL plus 2HB. There are 4 sides. Height into length 2 times and height into breadth 2 times. So this comes. The formula is 2h bracket में L plus B. Second, total surface area of cuboid. We have talked about the curved surface area of cuboid. Now, what is the total surface area of cuboid? So total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Means the addition of all the 6 sides, this side, this side, this side, this side, and the lower and upper side also. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. After that, what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Okay. Now come to the second shape. This is cube. The shape of cube and the shape of cuboid almost same, but there is a difference between the cuboid and cube is the all faces of cuboid is not same, but the faces of cube is always same. All sides are a. All the six sides are sides are equal. This is A. So our curved surface area, is equals to 4A square. I told before this, the curved surface means the circular region. Only we count the circular region of the object or shape, not upper and lower side. So there are total 6 faces, but we count only 4 faces in the curved surface area. But in total surface area, we have to count the upper and lower part of the object. So this is 6A square. Okay. Volume of cube is equals to A cube, means A into A. This is your curved surface area, total surface area, and volume of the cube and cuboid. Now come to the next shape. This is cylinder. Okay, what is cylinder? The circular part of rectangle is known as cylinder. Okay, cylinder. The diagram of cylinder is this is H and this is square. This is also pi r square. Is equals to 2 pi r h. Okay, how it comes? It comes, this is the cylinder. The cylinder has two circular regions, the upper and the lower. There are two circular regions, and we know that the circumference of a circular region is 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r, and we know that the curved surface means the whole this. So we multiply 2 pi r into h to conclude the formula of CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. Total surface area, of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h, means cut surface area plus 2 times the area of circular region, means pi r square, but this is 2 times this one and also this one, multiply it becomes 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. If you want to conclude or to simple your formula, just take it common, 2 pi r bracket plus r bracket close. This is the formula of TSA of cylinder. After that, the last one is volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Okay, this is your, thank you.